Hello everyone. So in this video we have another important question for you as far as the function is concerned. So let's take a look. Let f is 0 to 1 element of real number be given by f of x equal to 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube plus x minus x 1 minus x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube divided by 8 into 1 plus x. Then maximum of f of x is to x element of 0 to 1 minus minimum of f of x where x is an element of 0 to 1 is basically we will need to find out the difference between maximum value and the minimum value of the same. So let's try and solve. Given function f 0 to 1 is element of real number, so therefore we have f of x equal to 1 plus x 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 minus x 1 by 3 whole cube will divided by 8 1 plus x. So this can be further written as 2 1 plus 3x 2 by 3 plus x. So we did nothing but simply we have expanded both the terms using the formula a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. And for the other one we have used this formula has been used for this term, and for 1 minus x we have used the formula a minus b whole cube equal to just a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. We have basically expanded the same and then subsequently we have simplified both the terms to obtain a result. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. This would be equal to 1 plus 3x 2 by 3 by 4 plus x. Okay, now f dash x would be given by 1 by 4, basically differentiated the same, plus x 2 by 3 into 3 to the power x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 3x 2 by 3 entire divided by 1 plus x whole square. This can be further written as 2x minus 1 by 3 plus 2x 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 3x 2 by 3 divided by 4 1 plus x square. Alright, further it can be simplified as 2 minus x minus 1 by 3, sorry, 1 minus x 1 by 3 minus x, subsequently it will be given by 4x 1 by 3 1 plus x cube 1 minus x 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x 4x 1 by 3 plus x square. Okay, so with that said, let's proceed further with the same. Here, since x is an element of 0 to 1, so 1 minus x 1 by 3 should be greater than equal to 0 and 1 minus x should be greater than equal to 0. It basically means the quantity holds only at x equal to 1. Alright, so f dash x greater than or equal to 0 would indicate f of x is strictly increasing. Okay, so maximum of f of x, where x is the element of 0, 1, would be f of 1 equal to 1 by 2. And similarly, minimum of f of x, where x is an element of 0, 1, will be equal to f of 0 equal to 1 by 4. So now max f of x, where x element of 0, 1, minus minimum f of x, where x is an element of 0, 1, would be 0 to 1 by 4. Right? So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to half, or 0.5, which is our required answer. So hopefully this thing is clear to you, the process we adopted towards solving or tackling this particular question in general. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. So make sure you go through the sum one more time and try to solve it on your own with this video as a reference, so that you will get a better understanding of the approaches we have taken towards solving this. So that's it, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.